In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your Freecash earnings into Binance, step by step. If you're new to Freecash, I'll also give a quick overview of how you can earn on the platform. Okay, let's see how to cash out. Let's go to the cash out section. And here you'll see all the payout options: PayPal, Visa gift cards, stake, and several cryptocurrencies. For crypto options, the minimum payout starts at 50 cents and 25 cents for stake. PayPal and Visa gift cards have a slightly higher withdrawal threshold of $5. This may feel a bit unfair, but for new Freecash users, the first withdrawal requires a minimum of $20, but this applies only to the first payout. After that, you can withdraw a minimum of 50 cents for crypto and 25 cents for stake. Okay, each crypto has different network fees. And if you use stake, there's no fee, and you also get an extra 15% bonus. Okay, let's check the crypto options. Here in Bitcoin, the minimum payout is 58 cents. At this time, the crypto network fee is 40 cents. There is also a 7% withdrawal fee. Okay, now here is Dogecoin. It requires a $1.58 minimum payout. The current crypto fee is 17 cents. The withdrawal fee is the same. Next, we have Litecoin. It's currently one of the best options, since there is no crypto fee, and the minimum payout is 50 cents. So let's continue with Litecoin. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then get your deposit address from Binance or from another crypto wallet. Now, let's go to Binance. On the desktop, click Deposit. If you're using the mobile app, tap on Add Funds. Then choose Deposit Crypto. Here, search for Litecoin and select it. Also, select the network as Litecoin. Now, copy the deposit address. Go back to Freecash and paste the address here. And select the amount. And here is the final amount you receive after the fees. Then click on Withdraw. And give it a few minutes to process. Since withdrawals take some time, you can check the withdrawal status under Profile and then Withdrawals. Here, we can see the withdrawal is pending. Wait for a few minutes, then check again. Here, we receive a message that the withdrawal is successful, and the status is now marked as check. And here we also receive a notification. Now, let's check Binance. Go to Assets, then Overview. Here, you can see the payout of $4.73 in Litecoin has been received after the fees, and the value may be slightly different due to market fluctuations. Now, if you're new to Freecash, here's a quick look at how you can earn. Here, you can earn by completing surveys and offers, and micro-tasks through partners like TimeWall can also be added to your balance. It's better to know that the number of surveys available depends on your country or region, and also on your survey profile and time of availability, so it may vary from user to user. Okay, let's take a look at gaming offers. Here we have a bunch of available offers, and they're mainly available for Android and iOS. So, let's take a look at how to complete an offer. Select any available offer for your device. Here, you can see the levels and the rewards for each one. And here are the details about the offer, so make sure to follow them carefully. After that, tap the green Play and Earn button and install the game on your mobile app. Or if you're on PC, scan the QR code and install the offer through the link. Then play and reach the required levels to get the rewards. Just make sure to install the offer through the Freecash link. Otherwise, it won't track your progress. Okay then, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, mate. See you in the next one.